I got a
Going
rope
7-point speed on the windmill.
70 miles per hour. What if it was 70 miles an hour?
Those look good. Come on, take them out. Take them out. Come on.
No, they're not.
About to go chew down. Right over here. Oh, hell no. Make a motherfucker. Alright, I'm gonna set you up. The stairs to go. Oh, yeah! Pele! You gotta score that, Pele!
Hey, coach.
Woo!
Wow, that was with his chest.
Ham with the ketchup. Me right here is going ham with the ketchup. Flo bro right here is just going ham on the ketchup. And then you got the Reggie. What the f is that?
That's ranch.
semen.
Oh! Didn't miss this time.
Oh my god.
So it looks like you just opened a big.
What if your mom actually like?
Dude, kind of.
What the hell? Why don't you get Alex to hang out this week? And
I probably could get her today.
I'm not missing it. Okay, wait till after practice. Okay.
Stop recording me when I'm recording you. Smoking no day. George! The $1 million ball shot. We're gonna attempt again. George! I got the $1 million ball. I got the $1 million ball.
What was it, the $1 million ball from last time?
Yeah. All right. So, how do you feel about lacrosse? This is one we always ask. Good.
Not so fun. Be like doing something else.
We got Pele right here. The white Pele. You're fucked up now. Why? Why? YouTube. Up and down. Ew.
Yo, get over here.
Then after
Do it. I want to see you do it.
do it. Stick it in there.
See you in there.
Finger Shannon's pussy.
Shannon's pussy right there.
Ah!
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh, he's a dog.
He's getting it in.
Getting it in.
Cut that shit.
You got a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Shannon.
Shannon Curly.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, never mind. Is she hot or not?
Yes.
Ooh.
Alright, now it's called the middle finger one. Try this one. You gotta get it all the way in there and you're gonna
Hit the G-spot.
Hit that motherfucking G-spot. Try that. Get it all the way down her legs.
Hit that G-spot. Oh, yeah.
That shit, man. That's good shit. Then you gotta eat it out.
Oh,
No, thanks. No, thanks. I'm good.
I'm getting my dick. Try that shit. Take it out and stick it in.
What? Okay.
What you can do if a girl shows you.
You turn off the camera.
Oh, snap. Where do babies come from?
The stomach or the vagina?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, he's a dog. Yeah, buddy.
I thought they come
And
from the eyes.
how does that happen?
They go, and then just comes.
Nah, before that. 9 months before that.
Let me show you an example. Bend over.
No.
Tom Lester, call me at 703-959-78.
Do you know what sex is?
It's when you get naked on a girl, and then you go all wacko on them.
Wacko on them?
Yeah.
Like show me.
No,
Against that cabinet. Against that cabinet.
Just that cabinet right there.
No.
Yeah, just do it.
Dude, I get naked.
Yeah,
I
this guy will do it.
Ew.
Oh yeah, do work.
Don't order some Chinese.
Ah, shit.
George gets his permit. Let me see that.
Got the gap in my hair.
Got the gap in his hair. Wait, let me read this. Alright, so he is M. Didn't know that was your name. His eyes are yellow. Didn't know that was possible. He is 5'7", and his name is Leo. Sounds pretty
What's
good.
up, guys? It's your bro, Strike 47, playing some FIFA 11 right now on Bryce Webb's thing, and right now score 0-0. Who really gives a fuck though, right? I'm here to talk about boobs. So, what kind of boobs do you guys prefer? You like the pink tits? Oh fuck, I just shanked that ball. I just had it like wide open, one-on-one with the goalie. But like them pink tits, you like them big nipples, them hard nipples, like them purple ones, them black ones, them hairy ones. I mean, you never know. I prefer the pink ones. And about the pussy now. You like them purple ones? Oh shit, almost scored a free kick. I'm like 20 yards out. Pussy wise, like that hairy shit. Ooh. Like that pink shit. Like that tight shit. Like that loose shit. I'm just fucking with you guys. But yeah. So this is vlog number 3 or 4. Whatever. It's whatever. I'm like exhausted right now. For, like, you're talking about gas tanks here, like when you're driving down the road. Like my gas tank right now for energy wise is like on E. I am like on empty right now. Man, shit better be recording right now because they do this shit all over again. But I don't know really what to talk about. I mean, Bryce right now he's trimming the garden, if you know what I mean. No, I'm just kidding. He's mowing the lawn. He's actually mowing the lawn though. Like he's not like trimming the garden or nothing like that. But yeah. So let me know about my hyperness right now because I'm not that hyper. I need something to wake me up. What's the number one thing that gets you guys pumped up? Is it music? Is it energy drinks? Is it, I don't know, pussy on your mouth? Anything. Just name it in the comments below. Peace.
FIFA 10 is the worst motherfucking game in the world. Cristiano Ronaldo is the dog.
Cristiano the Suckinute.
Hell no, he's good.
What?
He's a dog.
Yeah, sure.
He's a dog.
Yeah, like a dog. Like a dog.
No, like a vicious motherfucker.
Like an animal.
Sure, whatever you like.
Got that shit.
Got that shit.